Good morning, students. This lesson is in continuation with the last video lesson. This is the last article of Unit 1, that is significant figures. We will define the significant figures. You have done this topic in chemistry in detail. So we are just going to define significant figures and discuss the rules defining significant figures. Now first of all, the definition. The digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit are known as significant figures. इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is 1.62 seconds. तो इनमें दो ये जो digits हैं 1 and 6, these are reliable digits and these are certain digits, while this 2 digit is uncertain. So number of significant figures according to definition is 1.6, 1 and 6. These are reliable. 2 is uncertain. So 2 plus 1 significant figures 3. Another example, length of the object is 287.5. In this we have 287. These are certain digits plus 1 uncertain digit. The number of significant figures will be 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now there are certain rules which define significant figures. First is all non-zero digits are significant. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. तो ये सारे non-zero digits हैं. So these are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Significant figures are 4. Another example, 42.694321. Now all these are non-zero digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 significant figures. इसी तरह एक और नंबर लीजिए 189. This is again the number of significant figures 1, 2, 3. All are non-zero digits and number of significant figures in this number is 3. Second rule है all zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Example is 4.092034. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. इसका मतलब ये वाला zero भी significant है and this zero is also significant. So we have significant figures as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. X is equal to 1007. तो ये जो दो zeros हैं बीच में, zeros between non-zero digits are significant. So we will have significant figures 1, 2, 3, 4. इसी तरह x is equal to 1.0809 is equal to number of significant figures are 5. कैसे? This is significant. This zero is significant. You will have number of significant figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there is third rule. If number is less than 1, the zero on the right of decimal point and to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. Very interesting. X is equal to 0.005704. Now according to this rule, the zero of the first non-zero, the zero on the right of the decimal point. This is decimal, this is right. So 0, 0. Right of the decimal point, these two zeros. And to the left of the first non-zero digit. This is left of the first non-zero digit. So these two zeros are not significant. तो हमारे पास क्या बचा 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of significant figures 4. इसी तरह 0.0154 on the right of the decimal and left of the non-zero digit. This zero is not significant. You are left with 1, 2, 3. Significant figures 3. Next, fourth rule है in a number without a decimal point, the trailing zeros are not significant. अगर नंबर में डेसिमल नहीं है तो ये जो लास्ट की जीरोज हैं these are not significant. For example, x is equal to 3210 meter. So this zero is not significant. You are left with 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures. इसी तरह 47,000. तो ये तीन जो ट्रेलिंग ज़ीरोज़ हैं, तीन ज़ीरोज़ जो एंड में है तो ये सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है. तो यू आर लेफ्ट विथ 47 मीन्स दीज 2, 1 and 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. इसी तरह आता है फिफ्थ रूल आपका, ट्रेलिंग ज़ीरोज़ in a number with decimal point are सिग्निफिकेंट. अगर नंबर में डेसिमल है देन इट बिकम्स zeros become significant. x is equal to 3.500. तो these two zeros are significant. तो significant figures will be 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर लेकिन यही नंबर 3500 होता तो आपके पास significant figures आती 2. For example 0.006900. तो आपके पास ये जो दो zeros हैं on the right of the decimal and on the left of the non-zero digit according to rule number 3, these are not significant. But according to this rule, these trailing zeros in a number with decimal, these are significant. So we have number of significant figures as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, these two are not significant. So you are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Now we have this another example also. X is equal to 4.700, because this number, as we told in this rule, that trailing zeros in a number with the decimal point are significant. So we have number of significant figures as 4.700, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Now there is one very important point to understand, that change of unit should not change significant figures. Like if there is a number 43.2 centimeter, so you have number of significant figures 1, 2, 3, 3. 0.432 meter, 1, 2, 3. Number of significant figures 3. Now this can be written as 0.000432 kilometer. Now these are not significant. You are left with 1, 2, 3. Significant figures 3. So change of unit is not changing the significant figures. But sometimes there are certain ambiguities. There are certain you can say discrepancies determining the number of significant figures in some measurements. Then for example, let's say we have 4.700 meter. तो हमारे पास this is a number with decimal, trailing zeros are significant. You have number of significant figures as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 significant figures. This is in turn written as 4700 millimeter. So according to the rule given above, we have 4700. This 00 are not significant because it is not containing decimal. So this 47 number of significant figures 1 and 2 2. अब एक में तो 4 है, दूसरे यूनिट में अगर हम लिखेंगे तो 2 बन जाएगा. तो दिस इज एम्बिग्यूटी because actually the number of significant figures which are coming out to be, it is equal to 4. The best way is to write the measurement in scientific notation. So how to do that and how to explain this ambiguity? X is equal to, consider a number, x is equal to 4.700 meter. ठीक है, मीटर में लिख लिया. Then we can write in centimeter 4.700 into 10⁻² centimeter. फिर इसको आगे लिखा 4.700 into 10⁻³ millimeter. आगे लिखा 4.700 into 10⁻³ kilometer. In all the cases, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In all the cases, we have this number as this number contains 4 significant figures. So what we do, that this power of 10, we say that it is irrelevant to the determination of significant figures. We don't consider this power of 10 in determining the significant figures. So this ambiguity is solved. Another example, let us say 0.0000076, it can be written as 7.6 into 10⁻⁻⁶ in scientific notation. इसको हम scientific notation में अगर जनरलाइज करें तो लिखते हैं a into 10⁻b. a is 7.6 here, b is -6. तो आपके पास क्या है, ये जो है ना 10⁻b, this we are not to consider in determination of significant figures. We are just to consider a. Example, 7.6 meter, number of significant figures 2. 7.6 into 10⁻² centimeter इसको लिख सकते हैं. तो we are not to consider this. So we are left with two significant figures. Then we can write it as 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. We are not to consider the power of 10, so we are left with 7.6, that is the number of significant figures 2. So in all the cases, even if we are changing the units, number of significant figure remains same. So this was all about unit 1. Now we have completed 2 chapters of unit 1. We have completed unit 1 and 2 chapters. Unit 1 had 2 chapters. One was physical world and second was unit and measurements. जो हमने जो लास्ट पूरे लेक्चर्स किए हैं, ये 2 चैप्टर्स थे हमारे. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर we will be starting 3rd chapter, that is unit 2 kinematics. Kinematics का जो first topic है, that is motion in a plane, that we are going to discuss in the next video lesson. This was all about today's lecture. अच्छे से रिवाइज करो, पढ़ो, and have a wonderful time.